Discussion moves learners into a more active role. If done correctly, it can also enhance learning by adding new meaning to information. The pros of discussion, of course, are that it's active learning, which we will discuss in greater detail in the next module. It allows for formative assessment. As a faculty member, you can find out if your learners are understanding before a formal assessment. It often allows learners to apply what they're learning, such as using a case study to discuss the didactic information covered in lecture. It's suitable for higher order cognitive learning outcomes because it allows you to interpret, predict, prescribe, and so forth. It exposes learners to more ideas from their peers. It can be effective for sensitive topics because a smaller group may help create a more safe space to discuss them. And that technology can be used, such as incorporating a discussion board into an online portion of the course. The cons are, of course, is the learners must have some understanding of the content in order to have a meaningful discussion. The learners also have to be motivated to participate and to do the advance work to ensure that they can. It's very group dependent. You may have some groups that do an outstanding job with their discussions, such as all of you are doing on our discussion board. But you also might have a group that does only the minimum required and doesn't go very deep into the discussion. And also, another con is the logistics. Having small group discussions in a larger group is challenging because of the cacophony of voices. Breaking them into smaller rooms requires the ability to get them back into the main room when you need them. And trying to hold a discussion with an entire large group all at once means only a small subset of learners will get to actually engage in the discussion. Discussion works best when the instructor has created an effective learning environment.